Hey guys, welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm standing on this new listing. This is a 2016 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Back here on the swim platform, you can see it's got the sea deck down below my feet there. Very comfortable. It also continues in the walkthrough over here into the boat. Got this nice large sun pad in the back with all your cup holders tucked off to the side. Got your speakers back here. Heading down into the boat. Cockpit seating area, nice wraparound seat over there on the port, back towards the back. And another seating option over on the starboard side, so able to accommodate a lot of family and friends as you enjoy your time out on the water. This boat is equipped with the power tower up above us. So with the click of a button, you can put that down. You can use it to get out of the rain. You can use it if you need to get under any bridges or anything like that. You need low access, nice and easy to use. You got your controls up there for that at the helm. Just pan around here so you can see that nice seating area. You have your head over to the port side. Stainless freshwater sink. This is a vacuum flush head with a pump out. And then you also have your opening port light on the side over there if you need to get some air ventilation through there. Under my feet, you'll notice that nice infinity woven floor. Again, padding underneath. Very sorry, I got my socks on now, but very comfortable under my feet. Not standing on that hard fiberglass. Up at the helm area, got your digital display up there. Radio gauges over here, and then you have some redundancy in your buttons on the side here, trim tabs. Again, the tower going up and down, and your hatch up and down, as well as your windlass controls there. Digital throttle over to the side. Moving up to the bow, another large seating area, able to accommodate multiple people. A lot of times your kids are going to want to, gravitate up towards the front. Very safe. You got the leather wrapped handles there, grab handles. Sea Ray's all about the safety aspect of the boat. Moving all the way up to the front, you have the windlass, which again you control back there at the helm. As you can see, this boat is in incredible condition. It has been stored inside of our rack building here in Somers Point. So you can see the seats and everything are in fantastic condition. Overall, the boat is just amazing. Very low hours, has under 100 hours on this. Again, my name is Bill Herr, and I have this 2016 Sea Ray 250 SLX here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you have any questions or you'd like to come schedule a private walkthrough, you can reach me at 484-680-4392. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.